Millions of people are about to lose their jobs, not to other people, but to AI tools that already exist right now. Millions of people are about to lose their jobs, not to other people, but to AI tools that already exist right now. In the next 7 minutes, I'm going to show you the 5 most powerful ones, what they actually do, and, more importantly, how you can start using them to make money instead of losing it. Stay until the end, because number 1 will shock you. Welcome to AI Decoded, the channel where we break down everything happening in AI and tech in plain English. If you're new here, hit subscribe. We drop videos every week. Now, let's get into it. Number 5. Jasper AI. If you work in marketing, copywriting, or content creation, Jasper can already do your job. It writes blog posts, ad copy, emails, and social media content in seconds. Companies are quietly replacing entire content teams with this tool. But here's the flip side. You can use Jasper to start your own freelance writing business and charge clients, while Jasper does the heavy lifting. I'll drop a link in the description where you can try it for free. Number 4. 11 Labs. This tool clones voices so perfectly that most people can't tell the difference from a real human. Podcast editors, voiceover artists, and dubbing studios are already feeling the pressure. But again, you can flip this. Use 11 Labs to create audiobooks, YouTube voiceovers, or even sell custom voice content online. The free tier is surprisingly powerful to get started. Number 3. Midjourney. Graphic designers, illustrators, and stock photo agencies are already disrupted. Midjourney generates stunning, professional-grade images from a simple text prompt in under 30 seconds, but smart creators are using it to sell digital art on Etsy, create thumbnails, and build entire design businesses without a design degree. Number 2. Cursor AI. If you're a software developer, pay attention. Cursor is an AI coding tool that writes, edits, and debugs code faster than most junior developers. Tech companies are already reducing their developer headcount because of tools like this. But here's the opportunity. Non-coders are now using Cursor to build apps, tools, and SaaS products from scratch, with zero coding experience. The barrier to building software has basically disappeared. And number 1. The one I promised would surprise you, is ChatGPT. Not because it's new, but because most people still massively underestimate it. It's already replacing paralegals, financial analysts, customer support teams, and even therapists in some companies. But here's what the smartest people are doing. They're using ChatGPT to run entire one-person businesses, writing, researching, strategizing, and automating tasks that used to require a full team. The people who learn to use it best won't lose their jobs. They'll replace 5 other people. So there you have it. The 5 AI tools reshaping the job market right now. The question isn't whether AI will affect your life. It already is. The question is whether you're going to be on the right side of it. I've linked all 5 tools in the description below, including free trials where available. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe. Next week we're covering how to make your first $1,000 online using AI tools, step by step. See you then.